What is CAPA process improvement method?
CAPA means Corrective Actions Preventive Actions. It is a process improvement method which uses corrective and preventive actions for problem solving and eliminating the causes of nonconformities or defects. The CAPA process begins by identifying the root causes of errors and then implementing the corrective actions to correct the problem. Preventive actions are designed to prevent recurrence of the problems. The preventive actions are strategically designed to anticipate any potential issues and mitigate them before they can occur. CAPA method encourages a proactive approach to quality management, ensuring continuous improvements and compliance with industry standards. CAPA supports operational excellence by enhancing product quality, reducing waste, and increasing efficiency, leading to higher customer satisfaction and profitability.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.